come a long way. I've had fears and doubts, but in your mind, Lord, you knew I couldn't live with them. So you chose at this time to wave before me the things you knew would make me give up myself and my thoughts. It could never have worked by my own words, but a faith that it might be by grace. And to the end, the promise might be sure to all his seed, unto us of the faithful Branham. And I'm now looking for the promise of my new body, as my earth quakes, all my sin is shaken off. The holy fire from above puts sin out of existence. For holiness cannot dwell on sinful earth. For holiness cannot dwell on sinful earth. But while I'm here, living in this world, I live by the faith of the Son of God revealed in me. To believe his word and claim what's my own, by promise it was freely given to me. And when it seems that there's no hope, believe in hope, and consider not the things which my eyes see, but look into the word of God that shall not pass away. And it's righteousness which is by faith.